guys from Turbolamik are remote updating the software on. Actually, let's turn this off. Don't need to waste any more power. So they're doing a live tune or software update and maybe tune. Not really positive. It's a lot of buttons and a lot of numbers and files. But might be doing the adaptation afterwards together on our own. What's up, guys? We're at the garage. I wasn't filming the first time. We were gonna fix the compact this weekend. Got a new clutch kit for it. Turns out it doesn't fit.
Dancing, slide, action, freeze.
So now we have ordered a new pressure plate from an E34 M5 that is supposed to be the same one as this, but the non-performance version. Everything is a colossal gong show. It's actually a very sad weekend. So I have to work all next weekend and we have to move out of here by next weekend or the next Monday after this weekend. So it's kind of a gong show, trying to get as many people here, as many things out this weekend as possible. There's a metric fuck ton of tires here to move. Shimon has to come get his stuff too. All the tools, everything, old exhausts. There's my rear couch. We got like this couch, that's probably gonna stay. Almost everything from here has got to go. The owner's son is taking it back, so we're getting kicked out. And this thing has to leave on its own wheels. I'm not paying for a lavetta. So we're gonna fix it this week before I need to leave, finally. Been making trips in the Mazda, dumping stuff. Here's Trevor's stock seats for this thing. They're going back in. And Michał here is his little slave for the day. But he gets to... Yeah, you're right.
He's being paid.
Yeah.
By using the seats.
Yeah.
That's true. Why do you need the seats?
We are gonna drive at Speed Show. It's like local event in Rzeszów.
Yeah.
We're gonna drive there and they want us to have like 2 bucket seats.
So you guys will see next week Michał's car. We'll do an update on it at the event, show you what he's done to it, because it looks really cool now. Got a little roll cage in there even. Wow, you guys are almost done.
And then like halfway through Speed Show, he's gonna crush the shit out of it.
Yeah.
And never give me back my
Then-
seats.
And then
They're gonna
we're
bend in
do,
half.
like a rebuild of the car.
Yeah.
Hopefully faster than my rebuild has been going. We don't know what's gonna happen to this melted compact yet. Do you know what you're gonna do with this thing?
I don't know.
Adam, come take it. Give us the pink car for it. So we've cleared out pretty much everything. Shimon just has this seat, this stuff. Besides that, everything is kind of just garbage or recycling. This is all garbage, old garbage exhaust, Trevor's subframe, my control arm. This is the most beautiful exhaust and best piece of engineering ever that's going back on the compact once it gets fixed. Praying to God Monday the right part comes and we put it in, put the trans in. Tuesday come do the starter and the rest of it because it's gonna be all done after work in my very, very limited spare time. Next week, as you guys heard, is the Speed Show and I will be there working and those will be some long hours. Major thank you to the boys today. Trevor, Angelo, Daniel, and Michał. Michał's not here. They helped me a lot and we managed to get this a little bit sorted. A lot of this stuff was already here. This place was a bigger mess than when we came. These are like the rest of Shimon's tools. All of this shit's just garbage, and then the old owner's tools and stuff. Old metal, old bolts, wrenches and things. Those are all his, and they were just left behind. So all this stuff stays realistically. all I gotta do is pack up my wheels and put them in the car and then drive out of here, hopefully. We gotta bring the steering wheel for it. Gotta remember that. And gotta remember to bring the cold air intake too. And then ideally not get stopped by the police. We're not really sure what's going on with Trevor's compact, but it'll most likely get just driven out of here, or I mean not driven, leveted out of here to somewhere else. You can see he's got the stock seats back in. Mihao took his bucket seat and then Trevor took the other one home. Thank you, Daniel. Hard-working man with his gloves still on.
That's all.
We got the rest of this stuff here. See this? This is what made those beautiful tips. So this is what my second room currently looks like. And then outside, we got this. So this is like the back patio in my backyard. And let's count how many tires we got. So we have 59 tires and rims here. And then we still have 4 at the garage, 2 in the back of Buddy's car. So in total we have 64 wheels and tires, not including the 8 that are on the cars. That is crazy. We got 65. So there is a Steely here somewhere that doesn't have a pair, and I need to find it another Steely pair so that I have a full set. But yeah, kind of sad that we're gotta let go of the garage and we're moving away. Honestly, really sad, especially on such short notice, because it kind of really put everything else in life on hold a little bit. But got it figured out. Thank you to all the good friends that have helped. We'll be searching for a new garage, a new headquarters. And yeah, check out M Tuning PL. They got lots of cool stuff too. Most of the things that we buy, or like Buddy's entire turbo car, was pretty much bought off of their stuff. But the compact is coming home. All right, so now we are getting the ECU worked out with the Turbolamik guys. And well, this is Bartek from Auto Race. He's doing this part right now, but for the Turbolamik guys, so that they can do the rest of the transmission stuff. But right now we're looking into an IAT versus coolant difference, because there's a bit of a variable, but I think it's just because it's a really cold day today. I know I'm wearing shorts, but it's cold outside. So sorry if this video is a little all over the place. We got heavily sideswiped by some epic bullshittery this week, but cars are looking good. Turbolamik has hooked up to this and made it run a lot better, a lot better. Not only that, but then Bartek came in, unlocked the ECU for us, so now they can finish up, and then we will be filming and doing an adaptation. This thing's fine, you know, whatever. When we started the Turbolamik work, we were at M Tuning just right after work, and if you go to Mateusz Habrat, his YouTube channel, I'll have it linked in the description below. He filmed a little bit more about what is going on with this thing and the troubles we ran into. But yeah, a little bit of collaboration in the Polish YouTube world. So now it is after moving all the garage stuff, and I'm not really sure what now. Well, got to finish the compact, and then it'll get parked right here. So we'll have a lot of BMWs outside the house. So Mihao's car There's Trevor's bucket seat, the B Marco. Then he's got David's slide with the belts. What are these? Oh, they're also slide. Get these at M Tuning. And that, boys. Mihao is ready to party. The red on red goes so hard. It looks so good on this car. More on this weekend, but awesome. Or next week, not this weekend. There's gonna be night drifting at the speed show too, so this is just gonna be it's gonna be so good with the all red.
Jak u mnie w Turingu, tylko przy lampie.
Yeah.
Jest prawie tak samo.
Oh, nice. Oh, dual vanos. This is M54?
M52,
Ah.
the HTU.
Ah, okay. So Grzesiek did an engine swap with Grzegorz, and I mean, it works. It runs. It's beautiful.
Naturally.
So yeah, these two put this thing together. It works. It might be at the speed show. Not drifting, but
A service car.
service car, yeah. This will be the backup car. They'll put the roll cage in really quick and go back out there. No, this looks good. Looks very good. It's very quiet. Shall we go for a test drive?
Yeah.
Pretty quick. Not too pretty bad. The rev limiter being in outer space. It's a really good power to weight ratio. Light little car, lots of torque down low.
I know I just been waiting, these problems I've been facing, yeah. I know I just been waiting, these problems I've been facing, these drugs that I've been slinging, I can't stop. Now my soul is set ablazing, this fire I can take it. My problems I just face them, I won't stop. Yeah. Now you need a bump to get back up. Now we chillin' in the backseat and we